Have you ever wondered how to bake a little bit more environmentally friendly? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll give you some simple tips that can make a big difference. Starting off, make sure to wear an apron over your clothes. This prevents them from getting dirty and having to buy new ones. When preheating your oven, try to do it at the coolest time of the day, in the summer. Do your best to buy things in bulk or in recyclable materials. For example, flour and sugar come in paper bags at most stores. You can use a silicone baking mat or reuse old wax paper to eliminate waste. And in the winter, open the oven door up when you are done to let the heat from the oven warm your house. Finally, make sure to use a reusable Tupperware to store your completed work. Hopefully you can use some of this when you're baking to make everything a little bit more zero waste.